So I have here the Shad 4P system rack mount that I'm going to fit to my 2023 Transalp. So I have all the parts down here ready to go on, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay, I've made sure I've got all the parts and all the mounting hardware, but first, cup of tea. Okay, it looks like first of all I have to mount these brackets to the bike, both sides of course. Then the side bars go on each side, and finally the rear support. Looks easy, right? Let the show begin. Well, disaster already. This bolt here has got completely chewed up. It wouldn't go in, and so now I've got to abandon the whole damn thing. Can't believe it. Look at that. Good grief.